Guys, today I'm going to show how to fix a mobile network connection problem in Android mobile. Before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. First step is to enter into the settings to reset the mobile network. For that, you need to enter into the mobile network and select the operator. After that, you need to select the preferred network type. Select 5G or 4G based on your location. Once it's done, just enter into the access point name and then reset the access point name. After that, enter into the mobile network. In that, we are going to enable and disable the automatic select network for once. Once you disable the automatic select network, select the operator and then search for reset. Select reset Wi-Fi or mobile network. Please press the reset. Once it's done, just click OK. We successfully reset and changed the mobile network type. And the second step is to turn on and off the airplane mode. It helps to restart your mobile network connection issue. Once it's done, please reboot your mobile and check whether your connection is okay or not. If not, I think it's up to based on the operator issue, so nothing we can do it. Please wait for some time. The error will be solved from the operator side. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.